I want it, on it, I'm getting it, yeah. Now see me strut up and stun like I just don't care. Let's go, I move the body, yo, for my lord. You better buckle up, yo, don't be so cavalier. Ladies, all about to get loose in here. I shake the ground, you know I'm living loud. Baby, you ain't ready for what's coming now. Watch this. I got the moves. Ooh, yeah, hey, watch this.
'Cause you're my definition of beauty. Pretty girl, you make everything feel alright. Pretty girl, pretty as the stars in the sky. About of a ride, the way we're aligning. And heaven knows that it breaks my soul.
Siguro yung pinakamahirap po is yung nawalan po ako ng mother. Siya po yung nandyan para masandalan ko po palagi. Nagpapaalala sa akin na may karamay po ako. May masasandalan.
Definition of beauty. And out of everything I've seen, nothing can compete with you. My pretty.
Love, wala ka naman akong masyado na masasabi sa'yo. Pero palagi mo lang tatandaan na mahal kita at nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo.
90 million miles to see what I get to see every day. Hey, darling, you're beautiful in every single way, and there's nothing I'll change. Hey, my love
I won't make any promise, love. I'll definitely make an effort na iparamdam at ipaalam sa'yo na mahal kita palagi. Araw-araw akong nandito para sa'yo. Pagsisilbihan ka, aalagaan ka, at mamahalin ka hanggang
everything else, nothing can compete with you.
Pero hanggang naroon, walang hindi malalampasan, walang hindi makakayanan. Ang huwaran ngayon ng pagmamahalan ng mag-asawa ay yung pagmamahal ni Jesus sa atin. Kung tawagin ay unconditional love.
I've become a figment of my imagination.
Angel! Thank you po. Johnny! Thank you, Tita!
Ang init, grabe. Ang init. Oh my God.
I don't know what
Giancarlo, a.k.a. Bots. Wah! Ano yan? Diyan pa lang medyas ng ama.
only worry can bring me down. I'm scared to let go of what I'm scared to lose. I'm pouring out myself, I'll give it all for the view. And only worry can bring me down. You said the mountain is you. The mountain is you.
Kaya simula ngayon, Jacqueline Aya Bautista na ang tatawag ko sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa buhay ko. Kaya love, kasama mo ako tumanda. Kaya love, isuko mo na ang bataan. Bomba na anak ng inay.
All in my head